All right, let's look at this oil drain pump. Very handy to replace oil from engines. Very good for boats, so you don't get a lot of messy oil everywhere. Hard to read the drain, the bottom of the engine. So this, you can remove the oil from the dipstick, the oil stick, and there you see, you're gonna kind of tie this to the where you see the level, and then you just pump, right? Very easy way to do it. There are cheaper ones out there. I went with this one. I don't know, probably the other ones would work just fine. Let's see what it's inside of the box here. First of all, it's gonna be a real rubber rose, which is good and handy. It's the unit right here. As you can see, quality build. This cap here is kind of a rubber. This is plastic. Of course, this is plastic. This is all metal. In the bottom, you have some flex here. This is rubber as well. Then the clip and this is metal. You got a O-ring here. So as you screw this into your engine and you start pumping, the oil is gonna be sucked. So you're gonna have all your oil out with no mess at all. Very good, so I recommend. That's the one. Part number is shown here. There are other ones in Amazon. This runs about 35 to 50 bucks. Not expensive. I mean, it is expensive, but no mess.